Here is a sequence of number sentences you might use to encourage student strategies. For example, you might ask students to solve 3 plus 3. If a student is using a counting all strategy, they might say in their head or use their fingers to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You might show this strategy by drawing a representation and writing the numbers that they use to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If a student is using a counting on strategy, they might start from 3 and say in their head or use their fingers to count on 4, 5, 6. You might show this strategy by writing the 3 that they said and giving a representation of 4, 5, and 6. Students are sometimes able to quickly recall some doubles and may also be able to share that they know 3 plus 3 is 6 without using any of the counting strategies. You would record this in the same way that it is said. 3 plus 3 equals 6. The next problem you might write is 3 plus 4. It is important to keep the previous thinking on the board so that students have a chance to make a connection to it. Students might use the counting all strategy again, and it would be recorded in the same way. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Students might also use the counting on strategy from 3 and say 4, 5, 6, 7. They might also count on from 4 and say 5, 6, 7. Students may also connect to what is done in the previous problem and explain that 3 plus 3 is 6 and 4 is 1 more than 3, so 1 more is 7. You could write this as 3 plus 3 plus 1 equals 7. You could even ask them where the 4 is. When they answer that the 4 is 3 plus 1, you can use parentheses to show this, even though they don't know what that is. It's not necessarily needed to explain. So to tie in the equality, you could also then write 3 plus 4 is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 1. After giving them 3 plus 4, the next problem you could give them is 4 plus 3. Again, the previous thinking should still be on the board. Students could use the same strategies, and you could discuss how the answer is the same when we add, no matter what the order is. Once you finish discussing that problem, you could also continue on with a problem like 3 plus 5. 3 to 4 number sentences is all that is needed for one discussion.